Welcome. This video will help you schedule an online tutoring appointment with the Writer Center. Go to the Writer Center website through the icon on your My4Cs portal. If you do not have an account yet, please follow the instructions in the How to Register video. If you've never scheduled an appointment with the Writer Center, please also view the How to Schedule Your Appointments video before continuing. If you're familiar with appointment scheduling, go ahead and click Make an Appointment to go to the schedule. To schedule an appointment online, click on an available time slot on the schedule. This will be the time that a tutor will review your essay. You can expect your draft to be returned to you within half an hour after your scheduled session ends. Clicking on the time slot will open the appointment form. Make sure to select Yes, Schedule Online Appointment from the Meet Online drop-down menu. The paragraph below identifies which students are eligible for online tutoring, so make sure that you're eligible before you select this option. If you're not in one of the listed courses or programs, your appointment will be canceled. Then fill out the rest of the appointment form. Please be specific when explaining what you would like the tutors to focus on during your session. Consider areas that you feel less confident about and include those in this box. Then click Save Appointment. You'll be directed to a screen that says Success. If you have your draft ready at the time you make the appointment, go ahead and attach it. Below the success message it says, if you would like to attach a file to this appointment, click here. Browse your computer and upload your essay. Please make sure your document is in a .doc or .docx file format. You may title your document anything. You may choose whether to be emailed about the success of this attachment beside Notify Client. Click Upload File. You'll be presented with a message that says your file has been attached successfully, and now you have the option of uploading an additional file. We strongly recommend that you also upload your assignment instructions. The more we know about the assignment requirements, the better we can advise you on your essay. If you have an electronic version of the assignment prompt, please upload it now. Make sure the correct appointment is selected as well. If you do not have your draft ready at the time you make your appointment, that's not a problem. At some point prior to your appointment time, you can go back into the schedule to upload it. You can click on the yellow file folder icon in the upper left corner of the schedule beside the Help tab. This allows you to attach files to existing appointments. But if you have multiple appointments scheduled, choose the correct appointment from the drop-down menu. And you would upload your file just as I showed you before. Please be aware that if no file is attached to your appointment by the start time of your appointment, then your appointment will be canceled and then also marked as a missed appointment according to the Writer Center's policies. When your draft has been reviewed, you'll receive an email with the file attached. So to view the tutor's comments, just open up the attached Word document. You can also go back to the appointment form of your original appointment, and the files that you attached will have been replaced with the draft that the tutor commented on. So you can download this file to view the tutor's comments as well. Tutor's comments will be in the right margin. If they don't appear like this, they will likely just be a little comment bubble. So to view them, just click on the comment bubbles. If you have questions about scheduling online appointments or viewing feedback from tutors, please contact the Writer Center at 910-938-6354 or email us at writercenter@coastalcarolina.edu.